What's up, everybody? My name is Augustus. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete a database on render.com and how to host one as well. Let's go ahead and go into the dashboard, and as you can see at the bottom, we got two items currently in there. These are a front end and a back end that I've previously created, and what I'm going to show you first is how to delete the back end and Postgres. So we're going to click on that, scroll all the way to the bottom, see where it says delete, click on it, and it wants us to type in this long thing right here, but we're not going to type that in. We're going to copy and paste it. Work smarter, not harder. All right, so we've successfully deleted the database. Right now we're going to create a database. So we're going to go ahead and click on the new button in the top right corner, click on Postgres. And then you can kind of fill in the name, just put whatever you want. It's kind of up to you. It's always good to, make them the same. We scroll down and we want to make sure we're using the free. I mean, unless you want to pay for it, you can pay for it, but we'd rather use the free one. Click on create database and it should create it. And as you can see, it's currently loading up and it's creating the database. So I'm going to get back to you when it's all done. All right, we're going to go into PgAdmin while we're waiting for render, and we're going to delete the database or connection to the server. Right click on the database. It's pretty easy actually. And click on remove server. And then just confirm the box right there, and you should be good to go. We've successfully deleted the server. Alright, let's head back into render and check that everything is ready. Make sure status says available. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, make sure it says zeros everywhere. And scroll slightly up, and what we're looking for is the external database URL right here. We're going to go ahead and copy that and head back into PgAdmin. When we get there, we want to right click on servers and we want to register a new server. So right click register server, and a pop-up window should appear. Name that server what you want. You can call it render or CSV or whatever. My database, my server. Go ahead into connections and paste that database URL that we just copied. Now select everything from the first letter all the way and including the @ symbol. Delete that. Go to the end and select the last / from the / all the way to the end, and then delete that as well. Okay, so for the database and the username and the password, we want to copy everything over from PgAdmin. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so very important, we want to always save the password because you don't want to be entering the password every time you try to connect to the server. So it's very important to save the password. All right, head into parameters, change the SSL mode to require instead of prefer, and go ahead and hit save, and that should do it. You're done. So for this project, I'm trying to add 3 tables: an account, classification, and inventory table, and an account type. So I'm going to expand everything here, and as you can see, I don't have them yet, so that's what I'm gonna add. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into VS Code. I've already pre-written, the code is already pre-written, so I'm just going to copy and paste it over. And this is kind of what you're gonna do, if you know SQL, you're gonna and you're planning on using PgAdmin and render, this is kind of what you do. I'll just paste the code here, and we're gonna go ahead and execute it, and looks like we got some syntax errors. Let me go ahead and try to fix that up real quick. The thing about SQL is that you always have to put a semicolon at the end of every query, or else you'll get a syntax error. So we're gonna go ahead and execute, and successful. So we just need to refresh the public folder, and our tables and our types should start showing at the bottom, and there they are right there. All right, that's about it. Thank you for watching.